Students, today we will understand how to read the time on a clock. Students, we all know that a clock helps us to organize our daily routine. Without a clock, we will not be able to follow our timetable. So, it is very important to understand a clock and its various features. So, I am going to tell you very important things about a clock. So, be attentive and listen carefully. We already know that there are 12 big divisions marked on the clock, like in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As we can all see that a clock has been divided into 12 segments or numbers. Each big division has 5 small divisions. For example, between any two numbers, there are 5 small divisions. These 5 divisions refers to 5 minutes. So, between 12 to 1, there are 5 minutes. From 1 to 2, there are 5 minutes. Each division has 5 small divisions and each small division stands for 1 minute. There are 12 into 5 is equal to 60 small divisions, or we can say that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now students, we will see how to read the time from a clock. Students, here we can see that the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 1. So the time is read as 3, 5 because we have to multiply 1 with 5. 5 ones are 5 and the hour hand is on 3, so the hour is 3. 3 hours and 5 minutes. Students, for reading a clock, we should know the table of 5 up to 12. It helps us to read the clock very easily. As we all know that the small hand is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. Students, here the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 2. Hour hand refers to the hours and minute hand refers to minutes. So here the time is 3:10. Because when we read the table of 5 up to 2, it will be 10. 5 twos are 10. So here the time is 3:10. Students, look at this clock. Here the hour hand and the minute hand both are on number 3. So the time is read as 3:15. For minutes, we count the table of 5 up to 3. 5 threes are 15. So the time is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Look at the hands now. Here the short hand is on 3, that is the hour hand, and the long hand, that is the minute hand, is on 4. Here we count the table of 5 up to 4 to calculate the minutes. 5 fours are 20. So the time is 3 hours and 20 minutes, or we can say 3:20. Now we can see that here the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is on 7. Students, to calculate the minutes, we know that we have to count the table of 5 up to 7. 5 sevens are 35. So here the time is 3:35. Now students, look at this clock. Here the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is on 9. To calculate the minutes, we count the table of 5 up to 9. 5 nines are 45. So here the time is 3:45, or we can say that quarter to 4. Students, here we can see that the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is on 11. So to calculate the minutes, we count the table of 5 up to 11. 5 elevens are 55. So the time is 3:55. Now students, we can see that the hour hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 12. Now you will tell me what is the time here? Yes, it is 4 o'clock. Now my dear students, I hope you have understood how to watch or read the time from the clock. Thank you, my dear students.